Hello developer gangs, welcome back to another episode of this playlist. As you know, in this playlist we are going to master Next.js from basic to advanced. I hope you have seen the previous video in which I have shown you the overview of this playlist. You can access all the classes and chit on our website. So what you can do, just go to code.i+t.in inside a browser and scroll down, click on view courses, and you will be able to redirect here. And here you can see all the lessons. So I will be updating here, and when you will be watching this video, second lesson will also be updated here. Okay, cool. So next, okay, so today we are going to install Next.js. So let's go from hello world to full folder knowledge in this video. And trust me, by end of this video, even your grandmother will know what page and folder structures are there in Next.js. Just kidding, guys. Before we jump to our Next.js, let's check whether you have installed node inside your system or not. So what you can do, just open your terminal inside your system and write here node hyphen hyphen version and hit enter. You will be able to see the version that your system has. That can be different or can be same, doesn't matter. If you are not getting anything here, okay, like you are getting that node not found or something not installed, what you can do, just uh, you can do okay, so first you can do, go to your browser and type here node js, okay, and download, go to the official website, and according to your system, like if you want to install it on like your ubuntu or linux, follow these commands. If you want to install in windows, follow these commands. If you want to install it on mac, follow these commands, okay. All the commands are listed here, and once you have installed node.js inside your system, then let's begin to the installation of Next.js in your system, okay. So what you need to do now, go to your browser and search here next.js. So you will be able to redirect to this website nextjs.org. What you will do, copy this command and open your terminal and navigate to the folder where you want to create. I will be creating it on desktop, so I will do cd des wait a second, desktop, and I will be pasting this command here and I will hit enter. Now this will ask you the simple prompts, or you can say simple basic questions that I will be guiding you what you need to do here, okay. So we will not be focusing on css part, so for that we will use tailwind css. I will do here y and hit enter, and next I will be waiting for my folder name. So I will type here my folder name as next learn, okay, and I will hit enter. I don't need TypeScript right now. I don't need ESLint. Yes, I need Tailwind CSS, and means whatever the default suggestions are Next.js is giving, I'm just hitting enter, 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 and that's all. Now it's installing Next.js with some dependencies like Tailwind CSS inside my Next.js project. So it will take a little bit of time depending on your internet connection and your system read and write speed. So right now you can see the date is 18 April 2025. I don't know the next like when you are watching this video, I don't know what will be the next dot js version will be there, okay. So you can see the next version is right now 15, but if we go to Next.js npm, then of course they have something else version. You can see there is 15 version, right? That's fine. That is 15.3.1. Currently I am using this version, okay. So at the time of your installation there can be some other version. Don't worry, you can go with that version also, or if you want to use this 13 like 15.3.1 version, what you can do, just go to the version here and try to find under this hood this one, okay, 15.3.1, just once you find it, just click on it, and whatever the command you will get here, okay, like here whatever the command you will get, just copy that command and hit that command inside your terminal. Then you will be able to see the installation part. Now you can see inside our terminal our Next.js had been perfectly installed, means installed. Okay, so what you will need to do, just like uh, you need to enter to this project. So what the name we have put in here, so first of all let's do here ls. Okay, so you can see currently I have rust and next learn. So what do you need to do, let's move inside to this next learn. Okay, and let's hit start our server here. So we will do npm run dev and hit enter. You can see our server had been started on port 3001, and if I hit enter, control click, and this will open my localhost port 3001 inside my terminal. And let's wait for a while till this is loading, and you can see as here it will be compiling our code, and it has compiled even. So you can see here we have redirected, and you can see we have successfully started our Next.js server. Cool. And now next what we are going to see, as I have told you, so let me jump to the website first, and let's jump to the course, and let's jump to the lessons. We will be jumping to the second lesson. Install Next.js locally, and here is a command to install Next.js. After that, I've told you the instructions how you can do, and you will need to navigate to this port. Okay, cool. Till here we have seen, we have installed Next.js, we have seen the structure. So now next is we will try to understand the folder structure, how folder structure is this. So okay, so what we will do, just come to your terminal and stop the server. So what you will do, clear, and you might have any editor, but I am having so VS Code, so I will be opening this folder with the VS Code, and I will guide you the folder structure. Okay, so you can see currently if you are beginner friendly to Next.js, or you are having some experience with React, then you might be familiar with some of the folders. Okay, but I will be guiding you everything, what exactly is this. Okay, so ignore the background noise right now. There is something bell kind of. Okay, I'll leave it. So the folders that you don't need to even touch, I will be guiding you first from them. First of all, the folder that you don't need to even touch is node modules. I highly recommend you not to even touch it, or not to even do anything with this folder. If you have done anything, then I am unable to help you. You need to reinstall your whole Next.js application. Okay, cool. So I prefer not to touch it if you don't have knowledge about this. If you have knowledge, of course you can. It's very good playground to developers. Okay, so next is Next.js, like .next. You don't need to know about this, what is this or what is not this. So this is basically a cache folder for Next.js. When you do npm run dev, okay, when you do inside your terminal npm run dev, so basically this will create some cache files inside .next. Okay, cool. You can see we have cache, we have server. Even though if I delete it, and like, okay, let me show you. There's nothing to know about this next folder. If I do here delete, you can see I have deleted this folder. But if I do right here npm run dev, then this folder will again come. Okay, so you can see this folder again came, means inside this folder we have our cache files. We don't need to touch them, we don't need to know what exactly is this happening. Next.js will automatically generate this. Okay, so next is our app folder, in which we are going to work, in which we are going to do everything, we are going to learn everything that will be inside our app. So the entry point for our Next.js application is layout.js. Okay, so this is a main file where our Next.js will jump while running first. Okay, you can see here what you will be what you are able to see right now. we are able to see here title and description. Although we are going to learn this metadata in our upcoming videos, in we will be guiding you through SEO purpose and everything. Okay, so here you can see, I am sure React persons might be little bit familiar about this syntax with this children. Okay, this is nothing, basically rendering our whole application through children itself. So the base URL, on the base URL where our project will be coming, like our base URL page, how we are going to edit, so that is basically a page.jsx. Okay, so if I come here to my browser and if I hit enter, okay, if I refresh it, currently you can see we are getting this Next.js create started. Okay, and what you will do, okay, let's come to our this code. Okay, and let me remove this everything from here. So this is basically a base URL code. Okay, and let me remove everything. So you can see our everything is empty, we don't have anything to show inside our home page. Okay, and if I come to my browser and you can see we inside our browser nothing we have, it's completely blank. So how we can do, how we can't do, so what you can do, just make here one h1 tag and write here hello world. Okay, and just navigate to your browser and you can see inside our browser we are getting hello world. Okay, if I zoom it, you can see we have a hello world. Okay, cool. So this was the motive of our this video, to understand the folder structure, although we have not seen fully, but yeah, we will be editing our this page, and from this page we will be entering to each file and project of this Next.js series. Okay, next we will see favicon. What is favicon? So favicon is basically this, you can see favicon here where my cursor is there. Just we have one image, just like next npm has, same to same Next.js has, and our blog website has. Okay, same to same we have this favicon. If we change this favicon, then this icon will also be get changed. Okay, cool. The now we have a global css file. So what is global css file? Global css file means this css will be implemented entire the application inside Next.js, and where we are importing this Next.js, like global css, we are importing it inside our layout.js file. Means this css will be implemented all over the children's, means all over the pages that we have inside our app, or we can say Next.js. We have seen page. Okay, and this is all inside our app folder. Next we have our public folder. So what exactly this public folder means? So whatever the file we are having inside our public folder, or whatever the image we have, whatever the thing we have inside our public folder, that will be working as a URL of your page. So if I show you right now, you can see we have our global as globe, I think globe.svg. We will be copying this name, and I don't know what exactly inside this file is. Okay, we have something like this image, and if I come here to my base URL and hit navigate to this and hit enter, you can see we are getting this image. Okay, this is an svg image, by the way. Okay, so whatever you paste or whatever the file you create here becomes a URL. Okay, whatever the file you make here, or whatever the file will be presenting inside public folder, will become a URL. Okay, cool. Next we have git ignore. So basically git ignore is we can say file to ignore unnecessary folders or files to be pushed on GitHub or some any other CI/CD tool. Okay. Next we have our JS config. Nothing is there. Just we need to make sure that all the paths are coming inside our app are correct. Okay. Next is okay, next we have our next config. So basically we will not be jumping here, but yeah, I will be guiding you in upcoming videos what exactly does this need. Okay, if we are using any image, then we need to paste that image domain inside our next config. Okay, we will be watching that in upcoming videos. Next, I think you are aware about package log.json. We will be having a lot of packages installed inside our package log.json, and same we have the packages that we are going to use inside our application will be inside our package.json. Okay, next, you don't need to know much more about this. Just you can see now what next we have our post CSS config. So basically, this is for Tailwind CSS. So we are going to use Tailwind CSS in this course, and next we have README file, and README file is nothing related to Next.js, but yeah, for GitHub it is. Okay, so cool. That's all. This is our folder structure of Next.js. I hope you don't have any doubt. And I have maken here some like ts config that is not there inside our project, but yeah, you can even know ts config is basically for TypeScript that we are not using. Okay, you can ignore this safely. Okay, cool guys, and that's all even in this video. In next video we will be jumping to our overview. Overview means whatever the next video we have maken. So you can see we have a scene folder structure, and next video we will be watching, or we will be seeing pages and routing inside Next.js. Okay, so that's all guys. In this video we have seen the folder structure, we have seen how we can install Next.js in our local system. So that's all guys in this video. So hope you enjoy. So thank you so much. We will be catch up you in next video. So thank you. Yeah, thank you.